You are welcome to my YouTube channel, Pleasant Chemistry YouTube. The topic before us today is calculations on empirical and molecular formula. So we quickly want to look at this question. The mass of 5.6 dm cube of a certain gas as STP is 12.0 gram. Calculate the relative molecular mass of the gas. And recall, when you talk about STP, we have a standard value for STP. The standard value for STP, when you say STP, that is temperature, standard temperature pressure. And the molar volume, the standard value for molar volume is 22.4 dm cube. So anytime you are talking about STP, it just simply means that there are standard values that we use for some certain calculations. So for volume, the standard value for volume is 22.4 dm cube. The standard value for temperature is 273 Kelvin, and then the standard value for pressure is 760 millimercury. So because of that, going by the question, we equate 5.6 dm cube to 12.0 gram. Since 22.4 dm cube is also equated to molar mass or relative molecular mass, they are both equal. The molar volume of a gas is equal to the relative molecular mass of that gas too. So with that, we just equate 5.6 dm cube to 12.0 gram, then 22.4 dm cube to relative molecular mass. 22.4 dm cube to relative molecular mass. Now we are using relative molecular mass here because the question is asking us to calculate relative molecular mass. If the question is asking us to calculate molar mass, we can see equate the molar volume to the molar mass. And you know what molar mass is? That means that you are talking about like a compound and then the additions of the masses. So from the equation there, you are going to cross multiply. You will see that I put 22.4 dm cube under 5.6 dm cube. Both of them have the same unit. That's why I group them together like that. Dm cube up, dm cube down. I equated 5.6 dm cube to 12.0 gram. That is mass. The same thing with 22.4 dm cube to RMM, which is relative molecular mass, and is also expressed in gram. So when we cross multiply, we are going to have RMM is equal to 22.4 dm cube multiplied by 12. So you know what cross multiplication means. That is, we multiply in a diagonal way. We multiply in a diagonal way. 22.4 dm cube multiplied by 12, then 5.6 dm cube multiplied by RMM. So by the time we make the subject of the formula, we are going to have 22.4 dm cube divided by 5.6. At the end of the day, our final answer is 48. Now take note of this, because the question is asking us to calculate RMM. We don't have the unit to RMM because it's relative molecular mass. If it is ordinary molar mass, we are going to add unit, which is gram per mole.